out of there.
Ain't nothing but against the party.
Like that up, Slim. Why you acting like that?
YouTube, what is up? Nick's Kicks 35 coming at you today with a mystery unboxing. Yes, I said mystery. Mystery unboxing. I'm signed up with Soul Steals. I went on there last week and I didn't really see too much I wanted to grab for the prices. I was like, let me try this mystery box, 50 bucks. See what it could be. $50 plus 15 to ship it, so $65. Let's see what's in this box. So I got the box in late tonight, and I'm excited to see what's in the box. And without further ado, let's just crack right into it. I got me a little screwdriver. So I'm gonna open up from this side because I'm not gonna look in. I'm gonna open up to y'all first. Let me know if you think it's gonna be something cool. I don't know. So I got my eyes closed. Okay. Alright. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's a Kyrie box. So we got ourselves a Kyrie box. Let y'all look at the label. Kyrie 1 Limited. What was limited that was a Kyrie 1? Not bad. I wouldn't say not bad at all. Not bad at all right about now. These were the double nickel. Yeah. This is very much surprised. Very much surprised. I mean, completely DS. Still fresh. Can't believe it. Wow. This is a pretty cool pickup. I mean, you got this little logo right there. In Kyrie we trust. Then it has the thing. It has Cleveland. Well, that's all right, because the shoe came out when he was with Cleveland. So that's fine. Got his 2 on the back. Well, that's 5. I'm sorry. Whoa. My bad. Don't flame me in the comment section. That's the 5. Because the other shoe should have. Very clean box. Very impressed. When I picked the box up, I'm like, what could it be? Same thing on, what's the other shoe? It says, oh, Melbourne. Okay, so that's where I think he's born. Boom. Don't know too much on the store. These are a limited Kyrie 1, size 14. So this is pretty good. I'm mad at myself. I probably should have grabbed another mystery box this weekend. Wasn't too sure, but I'm definitely gonna grab one next weekend. Real surprise pickup. I mean, I'm shocked by this pickup. I'm shocked by this unboxing. Really cool something. Kyrie 1. I was having a feeling if I got something because I went with size 14 because more likely I can fit it. If it's like a Jordan Retro, that's cool. If it's something I wear 13 in, I can do it a 14. If it's a basketball sneaker and I selected a size 13, it's really like not ever like strange for me that like a size 13 basketball sneaker fits. I mean, from like LeBron's to Kobe's to Kyrie's to my Jordan 32s, my Paul George's, like any other like basketball shoe I normally get, it's definitely a 14 because just the way they're constructed. So, I mean, this is a sick pickup for 50 bucks. So, I mean, $50, I paid shipping, my membership fee. I mean, I think it's paying off. I mean, this is a sick pickup. If I find out what the value of these is and I'm able to leave that in the video, I'll put something right about here on like what these go for. But a limited Kyrie sneaker, that is pretty sick. So limited Kyrie 1, can't go wrong with that. That's my Soul Steals unboxing for today. I'm not going to put these on foot because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them. Depending on the value, I might flip them. I don't know, but I am a Kyrie fan and I do love his model. I love his sneakers. So, I mean, this is definitely a steal for 50 bucks. I mean, I definitely got a steal out of this mystery box. So I'm definitely going to be buying more of these mystery unboxings and doing those and such forth. So hit the like button. Don't forget to hit that sub button. Subscribe to my channel. You want to see more videos like this. So more videos from Soul Steals, pickups, unboxings are coming your way. subscribe, like. Don't forget to comment. So let me know if you think this was a good pickup for $50. Again, I don't know what the value is. I'm going to leave that somewhere in the video. So, Knicks Kicks 35. Nike Kyrie double nickel. We out. Peace.